page 44 in your notes. Pause the video as you work through your examples on the product rule. So if f and g are functions, then the product of f times g, if you're taking the derivative, equals the f function times the derivative of g plus the derivative of the f function times the g function. So you'll be using this product rule throughout the next 3 examples. In example 1, it says find the derivative of f of x given these two functions f times g without using the product rule. So without using the product rule, what we need to do is we need to multiply the two binomials together using FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. X squared times 3x is 3x cubed minus 2x squared minus 6x squared plus 4x. And we combine like terms. So f of x equals 3x squared minus 8x squared plus 4x. Now we can take the derivative. Multiplying the exponent times the coefficient in front. So the derivative of f of x equals 9x squared minus 16x plus 4. So this should come easy to you. You should be able to take the derivative of f of x. In example 2, we're going to take the derivative using the product rule this time. So here we have f of x. We have an f function and a g function. So matching it to the product rule, you can see that you're going to take the derivative of the g function times f plus the derivative of the f function times g. If we put this now with algebra, we leave the first expression times 3, which is the derivative of the g function, plus the derivative of the f function, which becomes 2x squared minus 2, and we leave the g function. Using our algebra skills, we're going to distribute the 3 inside, 3x squared minus 6x, and on the second set of the expression, we'll do FOIL. 6x squared minus 4x minus 6x plus 4. Combine like terms in the end gives us the derivative 9x squared minus 16x plus 4. Example 3 says find the slope of the tangent line to this curve at the point x equals negative 3. Remember that the slope is the derivative. So if we want to find the derivative of the expression y equals, then we're going to be using the product rule. So the product rule for this derivative is you leave f, you take the derivative of g plus the derivative of f times g. So you can see I've taken the derivative here, leaving 4x squared minus 1. The derivative of g is 21x squared plus 1, plus the derivative of f, which equals 8x, and you leave the derivative of, leave g. FOIL on the first part, multiplying 8x into the next set of brackets. Into the expression, we can just sub in x equals negative 3 because it says at the point x equals negative 3. Because we want to find the slope, and remember the slope is the derivative. So it's not necessary to multiply the expression out. You can do that, but I'll just sub in x equals -3 instead. So as I sub in x equals -3 for x, you can notice there that I've substituted with green. Multiplying the numbers. So the slope of the tangent line is 11,258.